Hello, everyone. This is Elaine Vukoms, teacher realtor here in Southern California. Today, I would like to share with you a really important spiritual warfare conference in 2026. It's going to be in March 20th and 21st. It's at Pacific Palms Resort. The address is 1 Industry Hills Parkway, City of Industry, California, 91744. The guest speakers, Father Chad Ripperger, Kyle Clement, Dr. Dan Snyder, and Jesse Romero. Lead us not into temptation, the battlefield of the mind. The battle is not against flesh and blood. For our 12th annual conference, we focus on the formation of our conscience as the epicenter for a spiritual conflict. How does the enemy operate through ordinary means? How does temptation become affliction? Prepare for, with us as we grow in faith. Sign up with vmpr.org. So you can just go to the virginmostpowerfulradio.org and then look under events. And then if you can't go, we can also listen. They have it online for you to listen. So I would highly recommend this. I went this last year and I learned a lot how the enemy operate, and I'm actually going to go again this year to continue to learn. And so I hope that, many people will take advantage of this powerful workshop to help us fight against the demons. The demon starts right in our head, surrounding us, and they tempt us. So this is the way to fight against them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Amen to that.